Hello, everybody. Long time no see. For those that are brand new to my channel, my name is Rosita. I am a vocal and language coach. And yeah, I teach people how to sing and speak in different languages. I know I haven't been updating as much as the past several years, so I'm just gonna give you guys a quick life update and get to the main topic for today. It's about Spanish, so stay tuned. I've been busy. A lot of stuff has happened in the past year and a half. I've been traveling a lot to Japan for work. I've been honored in working with different singers, helping them teach them how to sing in English, how to help them with the pronunciation. So that has been an adventure. Also, I've been writing books. I've written beginning Spanish sentence structures and also beginning Japanese sentence structures, where both books is aimed to form sentence structures but to learn how to express certain things, so like commands or how to ask people out, stuff like that. And so I'll leave a link below. It's available on both paperback and ebook form. Let's see, what else has been going on? Oh yeah, beginning Spanish for medical professionals. Oh, okay. I have finished the course. Yes, I am super excited. I can't wait to film it. It's going to be a course where I'm going to offer through Teachable, and also I'm going to have like a season 2 with beginning Spanish for medical professionals here on YouTube. So don't worry, my subscribers, I have stuff for you. But basically, the beginning Spanish for medical professional course is going to include, well, there's going to be 2 types of courses. One for the person who wants to become more conversational, just to be able to get what they need to know from their patient. And then I have a course that's dedicated for people who want to become more fluent. It's going to have audio, it's going to have video, it's going to have your workbook, it's going to have a bunch of slides, everything that you will need to become fluent in Spanish, but also utilize the Spanish that you learn into the medical field you're in, whether it be you're a physician, a radiologist, if you're a dentist, an optometrist, all types of nurses out there, EMTs, and more. So I will be filming that in the next month or so. I started filming actually a long time ago, but I wasn't confident in those videos, so I'm just gonna scratch it and I'm just gonna redo it all. And then I'm also starting another course, beginning Spanish for law professionals, whereas you guys are going to learn how to communicate with new and returning clients, how to ask them to fill out forms, and this is for all degrees of law as well. That course will not launch till like mid to late next year of 2020, but it's going to have the same thing, like the beginning Spanish of medical professionals. You'll have a conversational course, and you'll also have the course who wants to become fluent in the language. And if that wasn't enough for you, I am filming a travel series. The whole travel series is going to be a little bit more detailed. Yes, I am super excited. I'm going to teach people basic phrases in that particular language. So right now I am going to be doing 3 languages: English, Spanish, and Japanese. I recently went to the UK, which was an amazing experience and an interesting experience. And later this year, I'm actually traveling to Guatemala, where we're going to be doing loads of filming. I'm super excited, where I'm going to teach you must-know travel Spanish. Again, from ranging from checking in and out of the hotel, renting cars, how to express a problem with a hotel. And in January, we're going back to Japan. And so please just make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be a lot of videos coming up and I'm super excited. All right, so that's what I've been up to. Now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about moods versus tenses in Spanish. Now, a lot of people get confused between moods and tenses. I find that my students use them interchangeably, but they're actually quite different. A grammatical mood is going to reflect a speaker's attitude toward a statement, and Spanish will have 3 moods: the subjunctive, the indicative, and the imperative. So what's the difference between the 3? Well, the indicative mood is used to talk about facts and other statements that are believed to be true and concrete, whereas the subjunctive mood is used to talk about desires, doubts, wishes, conjectures, and possibilities. And the imperative mood is used to give commands. Usually a Spanish teacher will teach you these moods in the following order: the indicative mood, the subjunctive mood, and lastly, the imperative mood. What is a tense then? Well, a grammatical tense refers to when an action takes place. And Spanish will also have 3 tenses: the past, the present, and the future, meaning that you are going to find the present, the past, and the future in both the indicative and the subjunctive moods, because the tense indicates when an action takes place. Now, here are some general rules for differentiating between the indicative and the subjunctive. Now, the indicative mood is used to talk about things that are objective and or certain, as I mentioned earlier on. And this includes things like facts, descriptions, and also scheduled events. Whereas the subjunctive mood is used to talk about things that are subjective and or possible, but not certain. This includes things like doubts, wishes, preferences, recommendations, the unknown, opinions about the likelihood of other events occurring. Let's check out a couple of examples here. Si yo quería decir, if I wanted to say, yo enseño español, I teach Spanish. This is an example of me talking in the indicative mood. I am stating a fact. I do, in fact, teach Spanish. Pero si yo digo, but if I said, es posible que yo enseñe español, which means it is possible that I teach Spanish, then I am expressing something that is not concrete. Let's check out another example. If I wanted to say, I am sure that my mom speaks English, which she does, by the way. Estoy segura que mi mamá habla inglés. I am sure that my mom speaks English. No, her version of English. Again, the main difference between the indicative mood and the subjunctive mood is that the indicative mood is going to express something that's concrete, something that is factual, whereas the subjunctive is something completely unknown, or that you have doubts in, or you're expressing a preference or a desire. Now, I am working on beginning Spanish, the subjunctive mood, because there's just... Híjole. So I'm gonna have a whole video series about that. So if you guys are working on or trying to looking to improve on, or just understanding the subjunctive mood, please note, it is coming. It should be coming by the end of this year. I promise. Alright guys, so now if you guys have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to ask. Go ahead and leave your questions in the comment section below, or check out my profile at takelessons.com. Go ahead and click that button that says Ask Rosita a Question. And also if you want to check out my Spanish vlogs and more, I will leave my website down below. Alright, until next time guys, I will see you soon.